I was doing chemo and aloe vera, and I had a PET scan and it showed nothing.
Rick Stein's India is a cooking show that was on the ABC here in Australia. Rick was interviewing a man who had inherited a palace from his grandfather, who had been a great chef in his day. He did a lot of cooking with doctors who were able to help him learn more about herbs and spices. That increased our health naturally. This is something many countries have done for thousands of years. And it's really good to know that aloe vera has nearly 100 different vitamins, minerals and enzymes in it, and is one of the best herbs that we can have. So incorporating it into our food and our daily drinks is of great importance. But we do need to be more careful of the yellow sap that is bitter and can cause skin irritations and a mild laxative effect.
I need some water.
No!
Uh-oh.
Basically, all you do is just run the gel through your hairline. As aloe vera is a gel, and like any gel, it does make your hair go stiff.
Aloe vera has so many great properties. It's actually helped me with all the ancillary or auxiliary, if you like, problems that I have with diabetes. High blood sugar that goes on for days at a time, that's difficult to keep down, is completely solved by the taking of aloe vera. Like eating it in food or in a smoothie. It's my preferred way to drizzle it on a salad, and I find that it does keep the blood sugar levels constant.
The Australian government has promoted 5-veg 2-fruit for many years to try and help the Australian people eat more healthy and to naturally boost the immune system. The American and the Australian medical journals came out with findings that when herbs are placed with fruit and vegetables in a salad, they will help the body absorb more of the vitamins and minerals in them. Knowing that aloe vera is one of the strongest herbs, as it has nearly 100 different vitamins, minerals and enzymes in it, as well as having one of the best absorbing abilities we need. So do yourself a favour and put some aloe vera in your body regularly. And remember, this is something we do at home while seeing our doctor.
And get the awesome Cooking for Cures Aloe Vera Cookbook and discover how to use aloe vera for health. Be enlightened. Explore the real Australia at angiesmartbooks.com.